Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, beef curry. Now this version is a super easy version. We're basically going to get all the ingredients, get it together, mix it, pop it on the stove, and it's done. I'm going to be doing this on my gas hob, but if you want, you can do this in a slow cooker. Let's go take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so as I said at the beginning, this is a very quick method of making a beef curry. Here's my beef. I've got about 600 grams of beef there. Now, by the way, all the amounts and everything is going to be in the text below. So there's our beef. These are the spices that we're going to be using today. Let me just go through those. So we've got some black mustard seeds, coriander, chili, turmeric, cumin seeds, cardamom powder, and garam masala. Let's get that on now. So we're going to go 1 chili, these are heaped by the way, 1 turmeric, 1 cumin, 2 coriander, 1 garam masala powder, half cardamom powder, 1, 2, 3 cumin seeds, 1, 2 mustard seeds. So there are spices. Now normally what we would do is the whole ones we would be frying first in some oil, but we're doing this really quick method. Okay, so I'm now going to add some salt. Get in there some salt to taste. I'm then going to go in with cilantro or coriander, curry leaves, fresh curry leaves, if you can get them, they're wonderful. And again, we would normally be frying these at the beginning, but this method is slightly different. I've got 1 large onion here, chopped quite small, in that goes. Some fresh chili, up to you. I mean, I've got like 3, they're fairly hot, these ones. I've got garlic and ginger paste in, and I've got like sort of 2 tablespoons, heaped tablespoons of garlic ginger. I've got some vegetable oil here. You could be using a different oil, like half a cup, just to bring it all together. And then I've got here 3 large tomatoes, in that goes. And you can see, sexy gloves are on, because I'm going to get in there and mix that up. So as you can see, beautiful mixture there. Now if you wanted and you've got time, stick that in your refrigerator overnight. It's going to do wonders to it. It'd be lovely. But we're in a rush today, so what we're going to do is go straight to the cooker. We are pretty much done now. You've pretty much done everything. Just get it on the cooker in a pan. Okay, so what you're going to need is a pan or pot with a lid. We're simply going to put our mixture in here. In she goes. Now no need to add any oil in there, because we added some oil to the mixture when we were doing it. Right, you want to be on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. The only other thing we're going to add to this is some water. Okay, this is already looking amazing. Tomatoes are breaking down. They're going to give us the bulk of the sauce. We're going to add, like I say, some water now. Maybe half a litre I put in there, maybe just under. Wonderful. Now, depending on the cut of beef that you used, now this is quite a tough one, this is quite a cheap beef, it's not a kind of quality frying steak or anything, it's a stewer. We're going to lower the heat to a simmer, we're going to put our lid on, and I'm going to let that go for 1 hour, and I'm going to stir it from time to time. If it dries out, or if your one dries out at all, just top it up with a little bit of water. Okay, off goes the heat. Lid off, steam out. And that is looking absolutely wonderful. That's been going for 1 hour now. It's reduced down. I didn't have to add any more liquid to it. Check that for salt, it's going to be fine for me. Super easy. beef curry. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below. We will see you soon. Lots of love.